What's up everybody, it's your boy Chevy. Remember in the video the last time we tried to change the valve cover, I kind of failed, yeah, because it was cracked. Good news, we have a new one, so we're going to install that. I'm not going to show you guys the whole steps again because you've already seen another video, but we get right into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the new valve cover that we've picked up, and this is the old one. It is pretty dirty and grimy, as you can tell. The new one, of course, is not that much better, but the reason why I got it again, because they tend to crack over in this corner over here. Mine is already cracked, as you can see, and pieces are just really falling off. As well, last time I attempted to remove the gasket itself, the gasket is pretty much almost plastic-like. It's not going to come out at all if you were to pry it out, and even in here it's just not able to get out. Like in the last video you guys could hear, like, listen, no, can't do it there. No, but essentially, like, the valve cover itself is as hard as plastic, and it's not making it possible at all to remove this. So that's why we got the new one, and I went ahead and got the gasket itself ready, and I already test fitted it and it works, so we're just going to go ahead and install that now. Alright guys, so as you can see, the gasket is sitting in there properly, so time to install it. Alright guys, as you can see, I just went ahead and put all the bolts back in on the valve cover. I didn't put one back, of course, in the front. I actually snapped it last time while doing it, but I actually have the parts car coming up hopefully today, so we'll do the video on that. But the parts car hopefully is coming home today, and I'm going to take a bolt off of that engine and just throw it on this one. It'll work. Yeah, I did go ahead. I would say they're all hand tightened, but they're not. I went ahead and obviously used the torque wrench as you had seen, but of course I did stop. I just had it in, and then that's it. There is no cross threading essentially. I'm going to go ahead and hand tighten all of them and then torque them all, connect everything back up, and then hopefully the engine code goes away or start up and just see what happens, you know. Don't know what's going to happen, no idea, but we'll see. Anything else? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and put everything back in, all the bolts again, as I did mention. I'm missing this one right now, but when the parts car does arrive, I will go ahead and put that back in. Connected the breather hose. That's not put back together yet. I'm just going to start to make sure everything's good. But I connect all of those back and ground them all. And everything's towards the specs, so we're good to go ahead for startup, and hopefully everything's good. Alright guys, as I did mention before, and you did see, everything's not connected entirely, but everything that needs to be connected to the car can start up is good to go. Hopefully the engine light will go away. If not, we have some more diagnosing to do, but let's go ahead and give her a start and see what happens. Alright, so as you guys go ahead and see, the engine light the engine light is actually still on. Holy crap. Yes, the engine light's still on. Might have to go check out my boy Lee and have him reset it, and then again see if it comes back on. Not too sure. It was idling a little high, but as it did get to warm up again, it calmed down a bit. It like went lower, but I'm gonna finish putting everything back together and then take her for a drive, see how she drives, and hopefully it's much better, because this was the part I believe I needed, and I'm hoping I actually did need it. So yeah, see you guys soon.